All right, so we're on a little trip. We are inside of Home Depot. I am grabbing some items. I got my little list here, and I'm getting ready to build a stage. So I got my little power tool crew. Say what's up, crew.
What's up?
Hi. Yeah, my power tool crew is on deck and ready, so we're about to get it in. All right, so we are loaded, ready, we're rolling. We're in here a little weird, but we are making it. We on the move, guys. Time to go home and get this. Okay, I just want to make sure that I can cut on my lines. So just a little, getting ready to do a test piece of wood. Just to make sure I can accurately cut because I don't want to mess up my good wood with a test. Safety goggles on. And let me put my gloves back on. Feels so much better with my gloves on. Yeah, that's what you did. You gonna tear yourself up. All right, so I got my except for what my kids are doing. Pick it up. Look, you're getting white stuff all over the driveway. Put it in the box and clean it up. So my first time, my little chunk flew off and it was crazy. But now, we got us a clean cut. Nice solid clean. Wait.
I love my car. I love the car.
Okay, so this is the test when you get a chance to see if your work was measured up right. So yeah, that's it. I got my leveler with my measurements, so that's what I used. So now let's see what we looking like. Hey, hey, hey. All right, we did good. I'm excited. All right. So first cuts are done. Now on to the next pieces.